Yo guys, what's up? We got a bunch of movies we're gonna be unboxing today. Let me get them all. We're unboxing a lot of movies today. Let's get started. Okay, first up we got The Simpsons Gone Wild. For you kids out there, please pause this video and then watch until the other part of the video comes on. This is Simpsons Gone Wild. It's not for kids. Yeah. And if you wonder, I'm not a kid, really. Yeah, Simpsons Gone Wild. It's brand new. Brand new, guys. It's a brand new disc. Yeah. Please, videos, don't get age restricted. Hey, Rich. We're also looking at another Simpsons. This is season 15.
Season 15?
Yeah, season 15.
There's no season.
Has one.
Season 15?
Yeah, season 15. It has the bus driver on it. Crazy bus driver. I forgot his name. Is it? No. I don't know. Also, we got the first season of The Simpsons. Awesome, isn't it? Has a bunch of secrets and stuff you can do on it. Here, let me show you. So, this is what it looks like. Has a dog. And you can take it out. And you can switch the. Oh, you see that Maggie sitting on Homer. Right here, you can switch the picture to all of them just laying and being crazy. But I like it when they're all happy and just sitting there. It has 13 episodes in counting. Okay. Okay. So comes with 3 discs. Guys, I kind of did unbox this already. I just watched 1 disc. 1. So I'm not really breaking the rules right here. And also, the last but not least. Heck yeah. Dragon Ball Z GT. Oh my god. This is my dad's. He already had this, but I never knew he had it. So, I'm looking at it today. I don't know who's in this. Is it... These are new Dragon Ball Z characters, I think. Comes with 5 movies. It comes with Incubation, Affliction, Ramifications,
You know what I found in the Lego one?
Cool. And so, yeah, guys, that's pretty much it. If you guys could please like this video, subscribe, and hey guys, you want to see a picture of a pug? It's a picture of a pug named Duck.
You could draw in it.
Oh, and hey guys. Guys.
Hey, Wyatt.
Okay, guys. I'll see you guys later. I'm gonna go hang out because we just got Okay, guys, you guys didn't know, I had no TV for a while. Had no YouTube, no TV, just no cable. And so, I haven't been filming videos that much. If I have, then those videos have been a struggle. So, I've just got all of my house back. Like, we got TV. And that's why I was showing you guys these DVDs, because I don't have any TV to watch, so those were the discs that, okay, my mom actually got me those. I was so happy when I saw that she got me these. You guys can get these. You guys can get those. Wait, I see something. Wait a minute. Okay. I want to tell you guys the characters that are in this Dragon Ball Z. Vegeta, Goku, Chi-Chi, Resurrection F, people, and that's it. Frieza, I don't know. See you guys later. Bye.